Okay, students, today we are going to discuss about the refrigerator. So, what is refrigerator and what are the components of the refrigerator? Today we will discuss. जो हमारा रेफ्रिजरेटर है वो रेफ्रिजरेटर हमारा हर घर में है। तो इस रेफ्रिजरेटर का क्या क्या कंपोनेंट्स है और क्या क्या रहता है इसके अंदर, तो इसी वीडियो में आज हम जानेंगे। ओके, सो यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं ये जो कंपोनेंट्स पार्ट है, तो कंपोनेंट्स पार्ट में हमारा कंप्रेसर है, कंडेंसर है, इवापोरेटर है एंड द थ्रोटलिंग वाल्व है। सो ये हमारा रेफ्रिजरेशन का साइकिल है, ये भी हम आज देखेंगे। We can say there are four things are in refrigerator, where the main things are at first the compressor is there. So you can see here compressor is there, and here you can see a condenser is there. So the entire section is known as the condenser, and this tubes are known as the capillary tube. Okay, so this the tubes are known as the capillary tubes. So here this section is the evaporator section. So what happens here? So here the compressor carry the gas, means the R134A, which is also known as the refrigerant. The different types of refrigerants are there, but the latest version of refrigerant is known as what? R134A. So that refrigerant passes through these tubes and it forms the condenser. So what happens next? When the compressed gas is high pressure, it transferred to the condenser. What happens? Then the high pressurized gas will become the low pressurized. Why it will be low pressurized? Because here in the condenser it gets the maximum space to travel. Okay, so this gas travels from this pipe, we can say the capillary tube. Here it passes like that, so here it gets the maximum space to travel. Okay, so this maximum space to is take travel. So here what happened? So here we can say the compressed gas or the heat gas is transferred this way. Okay, moves this way, and in our surrounding atmospheric air is there. That's why the high pressurized gas is become low pressurized. So what happened next? So we can say this entire section is the condenser part. So what happened? So what happened in the condenser part? The main aim of the condenser is to condense the pressurized gas. Okay, condense means we can say we can cool the gas. Okay, what happens? The gas moves to the capillary tube. The gas moves to the capillary tube, where the pressure of the compressed gas is much more lower than the initial pressure. So here what happened? The cooled gas from the capillary tube, it again passes through the what? The tube. It will connected to the evaporator. So here we can say evaporator is a chamber where what happened? Evaporator is a chamber where the cold section is there and the cooling is happen there. Okay. So you can see this cycle. You can see this cycle. So this is a compressor. This is a compressor. So here a high pressure gas comes through this pipe, and here this is the condenser, and in that condenser part the high pressurized gas become condensed. The main work of the condenser is to cool the high pressurized liquid. So after that the cooled gas reaches to the capillary tube. So after that it reaching the capillary tube, it will go to the evaporator by the help of the capillary tube, and the cold process is started, and the extra heat liquid is transferred again to the compressor. So this process is continuously happens. Thus the cycle is happens continuously. So friends, this is all about the refrigerator. So you have to remember these things. So see you in the next video. Thank you.